To go ahead and, well, before I get into that, you're probably going to end up with 20, 30, 60, maybe even hundreds of users in here. And so using sort categories is going to be important for you, because you probably don't want to send your message out, or the same message out to everybody. You may want to go ahead and use different messages for different groups of users. If you've got a long list that scrolls down pages and pages and pages, that's probably not going to be a great thing for you to go ahead and sort through or go through manually. So let's say I wanted to send a message out to just the soccer players. I can select soccer from the sort category 1 drop down, and I can click on the filter entries button here, and what that'll do is it'll give me all my soccer players, regardless of their sort category 2 options. If I wanted to send a message to all my soccer players, I can click on the uppermost left checkbox here, and it'll select everybody. Well, let's say I didn't want to select everybody in soccer, but I needed to go ahead and limit it to just U13 people. I can select U13 from the sort category 2 options, click on filter entries, and that'll limit my sorting to just the U13 soccer players. Let's say you might have 13, 14 kids that are on this in this group. You can go ahead and click this right here, and you can go ahead and add them to the voice call, or TTS. TTS is text-to-speech. So we can add them over, and they show up over here in the queue. I'm going to go ahead and remove everybody that I've added over into the queue, and that's real simple. You can do that. Same thing happens for baseball. I can go ahead and do baseball, and then click on filter entries, and it'll just give me the people that are associated with baseball. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the sorting options off of there, and we'll go ahead and talk about sending out your first voice call to these individuals. How to do this is you've got to create an outgoing message. You can do that over on the left-hand side. You've got a section down here called voice calls. You want to go ahead and click on voice calls, and that'll send you to a page that will allow you to enter in the phone number that will receive the call. So what you want to do is you want to put your phone number in the same exact format that you've used for the previous examples. That's the 1, the area code, prefix, and remaining 4 digits. Once you've got the phone number in there, you can go ahead and click on Activate. After you click Activate, you should receive a phone call within a couple of seconds asking you to enter in your outgoing message. Just follow the prompts. The prompts will go ahead and give you clues on what to go ahead and use when entering your outgoing message. Okay, there's my phone.
Hello. 55 to record new message or wait to listen to current recording. Please begin recording your message after the tone. When finished, press pound.
Hello, this is the coach. I just need to let you know that we've got practice this weekend.
You said.
Hello, this is the coach. I just need to let you know that we've got practice this weekend.
Press 1 to continue or 2 to change your message. Please begin recording your message after the tone. When finished, press pound.
Hello, soccer players. Just letting you know that we've got practice this weekend. Expect to see you there. Thank you.
You said.
Hello, soccer players. Just letting you know that we've got practice this weekend. Expect to see you there. Thank you.
Press 1 to continue or 2 to change your message. Thank you. Your recording has been saved.
Now that you've got an available outgoing voice message, you can start selecting the users to send this message to. Now it turns out that I wanted to send this to all the soccer players, so we can go ahead and add the soccer players over to my voice call queue. Oh, looks like I made a mistake. Look at that. I've got Bill Clinton. He's not a soccer player. Let's say you had 100 people that you added over to the voice calls mistakenly. You can actually remove them from the voice calls, either individually or all of them at the same time by using this checkbox up there and then clicking on remove call. That'll remove them from the voice call queue. So these sections over here are the call out queues, one for voice call, one for text to speech. So it turns out that I only want to go ahead and send this out to my soccer players. So we select, in order to do that, we want to go ahead and use the same filtering that we learned earlier. So sort category 1, we select soccer, and then we go ahead and click on filter entries. Now we've got everybody associated with soccer. So I can go ahead and click this box here. That'll grab everybody in soccer, and I can click this button up here, the voice calls button, and that'll add them over into my voice call queue. Now what we need to do is we want to go ahead and click on activate. This will go ahead and initiate the outgoing calls for all the people in the queues. So we'll go ahead and click on activate. Okay. Clicking on activate, you'll see that it removes them out of the voice call queue. In just a couple of seconds we should start getting a phone call from the QuickShare system. Okay, now we're just waiting for the call to come in. I'll go to my call status window. This way we can watch the calls come in and their status. Okay, here's our first call. Hello? Hello?
For an important message regarding call crews.
Hello, soccer players. Just letting you know that we've got practice this weekend. Expect to see you there. Thank you.
To have this message repeated, press 1.
Hello, soccer players. Just letting you know that we've got practice this weekend. Expect to see you there. Thank you.
Okay, there you have it. Okay, and if we refresh our call status page, we can actually see the messages that had gone out. I answered that first one, and so it detected it as a human. The second one didn't get answered, and it detected it as a machine. Thanks a lot, and thank you for using QuickShare.